What's up? Here with my sister Ansley, photographer Sniper Streets, brother Ben, yours truly.
At brother Ben.
So if you're watching this on your phone, make sure you're watching on the YouTube app. If you're on like a browser, it doesn't really work. If you're on a computer, you can click the little arrows on the top left, or if you just click them once, then you can use your arrow keys after that, and that's a lot easier. And if you have fast enough internet, then definitely put the quality all the way up. Otherwise, it'll be kind of blurry. I think right now I'm currently the epitome of all possible ways of sharing everything that you're doing. Wearing a GoPro and carrying a 360 camera. Wow, it's so tall. Gotta get up on top of this. There should be a barge about to come through. This is it. This is the top. Wow. I see so far. Take a look at that though. Ooh, hoo-hoo-wee.
Hey, you can see the murkiness in the water from this height.
Oh, you can.
That's incredible.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
The sun is setting now. Got a nice little GoPro time lapse of it going here. Chilling out. I'm really afraid of every time I pass the camera from one hand to the other, I'm afraid of dropping it. Looky look. That's so pretty.